This morning, the Menendez brothers vowing to keep fighting for freedom after Erik and Lyle were both denied parole, for now leaving them behind bars for the 1989 murders of their parents, Jose and Kitty, in their Beverly Hills home. After an 11-hour hearing Friday, a parole board telling Lyle that, like his brother, he also poses an unreasonable risk to the public. The board questioning Lyle about his history with lying after the murders.
And you were trying to lead them away from you and your brother in another direction, right?
I was certainly trying to lead them away from my brother and I.
Lyle telling the commissioners through tears, "I will never be able to make up for the harm and grief I caused everyone in my family. I will be forever sorry." Lyle's attorney also touting his prison record with no violent infractions, but the board hammering him on his frequent use of contraband cell phones. Ultimately telling Lyle he still struggles with deception, minimization, and rule breaking, and that incarcerated people who break rules are more likely to break rules in society.
They didn't get a fair shake.
The brothers' attorney, Mark Geragos, calling the hearings rigged, in part because of audio from Erik's hearing that was released to the public in the middle of Lyle's hearing, prompting a dramatic pause in proceedings.
The irony of all of this is you've got people, the commissioner, who's cross-examining Lyle on cell phone use. He violated the rules with cell phones. But by the way, don't look over here. The California Department of Corrections is violating the rules left, right, and sideways while you're doing your hearings.
The California Corrections Department saying the audio was erroneously released through a public records request. Following the hearings, the Menendez family saying, while we're of course disappointed, we are not discouraged.
This is not a long time. They are going to get out. I do want to always remind people that a couple of years ago, this was not even a possibility.
And Liz, we've talked about this, but it's not really the end of the road, right? There's still some other paths towards freedom.
Yeah, Laura, that's right. Well, first we should say their attorney has indicated the release of that audio may be grounds to challenge the parole denials in court. But beyond that, the brothers are still fighting for a new trial. The governor could also grant clemency. And it's likely we're going to see the brothers back in front of a parole board again soon. The board says they'll be eligible for parole in 3 years. But with good behavior, it could be in just 18 months, Laura.
All right. Still a big blow, though, for them. Liz, thank you. Yeah.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.